Your skin faces so much for you. It makes you attractive and confident. It takes care of you. But do you take care of your skin? Your skin cannot thrive in this environment alone. Your inconsistent routine creates circumstances for your skin. In the end, it's problematic. Do you feel that your skin is getting duller and duller day by day? You are slowly losing the beauty of your skin. Keeping your skin fresh, using the right products is essential. You need to find products specifically for your skin features. And not every product is meant for your delicate skin. Because your skin deserves to be taken care of, find the latest guides and products for a fresh and beautiful skin regimen suggested by our skin experts at our official website, www.prerequisitebeauty.com. You can also check out tutorials to perfectly cleanse, protect, and nourish your skin without harming it.